hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and write Make My Trip reviews. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply go ahead and search for Make My Trip and simply go ahead and open their website. Now, one thing I want to make clear is not anyone or random people cannot actually put reviews on Make My Trip. What you need to do in order for you to go ahead and put reviews is be sure that you have already booked and already been to a place through their platform itself. So for example, if I go ahead and click on my trips right over here, as you can see, I don't have any bookings, or I've not made any bookings yet. However, if you've already made a booking, you've already visited or went for a trip, came back, now if you want to go ahead and put a review, all you need to do is just click on the booking that you have made before and simply go ahead and click on the review, add review tab, and simply go ahead and write a review on how your trip was, if you recommend it to other people or not, and stuff like that. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.